Let's talk about a word you probably never realized was a game changer for you. Men's health. It's collagen. Collagen. We don't talk about collagen enough. Most guys think collagen is for women, skin, anti-aging creams. I could use it myself, actually. Tighten up. Collagen is the glue, right? It's holding the body together. From your joints, your muscles, your blood vessels, and definitely your prostate gland, right? At around age 30, 35, your collagen levels start to drop every year, like 2% a year. That's when you start getting stiffer in your joints, your skin sags a little bit, injuries take longer to heal, and your erections get weaker. Why? So what is collagen? Collagen is it's a protein. It's a protein. Your body makes it, right? It's the most abundant protein in the human body. Your body builds it with amino acids. It's the structural glue that holds your tissues together. Your collagen is built, your skin is built with collagen, tendons, ligaments, bones, blood vessels, connective tissue around your prostate, around your bladder. Your entire pelvic floor is built with collagen. It's like the scaffolding for your insides, for your internal body. Without it, everything starts to sag, you get stiff, get weak. Collagen supports your pelvic floor, right? It helps to prevent incontinence, urinary incontinence, reduces the pressure on an inflamed prostate. Collagen is rich in glycine and proline. Those are amino acids that reduce inflammation in your body, in your prostate, and it helps to support detox pathways. Your blood vessels and your erectile tissue require healthy collagen for proper structure and function. So collagen is a very, very important part of your natural erectile function. And you got some other things in there too, like low collagen, you got back pain, lower back pain, right? Extra firmness in your erections, you need collagen. You need collagen for that. It's the blood vessels, the tissues, the structure in your body. All these can relate back to collagen deficiency that nobody's talking about. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to start buying some bone broth. That's the best form of collagen you're going to get, some bone broth. You can buy collagen peptides. Take some collagen peptides. I'll find a link for you. Make sure you're getting enough vitamin C too. Vitamin C, zinc, copper. Those help your body to build collagen. Your body builds collagen, right? It takes amino acids from your food and creates collagen. But you can add collagen as well. And if you're over 40, you got to do this. Collagen is not, it's not cosmetic. It's structural vitality. Your body's telling you what it needs to build and to rebuild. Okay? So drop a muscle emoji in the comments if you want to start adding collagen to your diet this week. Your prostate, your joints, your lower back, your knees, and your erectile function and performance will thank you.